What are you? Miss Goody Two Shoe? Oh, you're Miss Perfect? What skeletons do you have in your closet? In spite of what anyone of y'all think, I love David. I really love him. And I'm human. I made a mistake. And I just don't intend on paying for that mistake for the rest of my life. And the last time I checked, you're not God. So don't you dare judge me. David is not even beating me with a stick over my head about it. So where do you all just get this from and have it over me? Everybody! He, she, only everybody is beating me my back with this situation. And David is quite fine. And everybody have a problem with it. I'm tired. I'm sick and I'm tired. I can't do it anymore.
So when you leave Annie's after class, she never goes straight home?
I never me teach and she teach a class, but she call me and tell me say she go home.
So she never tell you when she reach home and hear from her from she reach home?
No, I call her about 2 times in the morning. When I get her, I'm left a voice note.
Maybe she call her and spook to her and make she not answer your call.
And he said she not no boyfriend, so I don't think she there no man yard.
Maybe she'll tell you that, but you don't know them things that go ahead.
Whisper my concern right now. She usually make me know when she reach home. She don't make me know now when I get a call from her, so this serious.
Well, the truth is, you have to wait till 24 hours or so before you can confirm that she's a missing person. And it just go up to that, so you can just wait and see.
Audrey, I realize that this is deeper than what it seems. What is going on with you? It's not anything that I can even begin to talk about. It's too much. Audrey, this is not me now talking to you as an agent. This is woman to woman. We both share the same kind of love. You as a wife, me as a daughter. Do you have any idea where he could be? Or if he's in any kind of trouble? Honestly, I can't tell you. Because I don't know where he is. How is your son? He's fine.
Yeah, whisper. Where you there? Tony on with you? Alright. It's bubbles here.
Go on.
Top hill.
Go on with the address.
Boy whisper. That deeper than we. When we link up with her.
Alright, look at this one then.
I'm feeling so hypnotized. I'm so out of my mind. Out of my mind. Summer nights with you. We're like teenagers in love. No one can heal me from this broken heart. Should I know better from the start?